What's up, you guys? It's Rob here. Hope you all had a wonderful weekend. It's time to recap AMC over the past week in anticipation for tomorrow's trading day, June 28th, 2021. Also, public service announcement, the stock market will be closed next Monday, July 5th, 2021, in observance of Independence Day. But guys, we gotta talk about Fast and Furious 9 because it was an absolute banger at the box office this weekend. It is definitely going to have some news catalyst impact on AMC. I'm curious to see what is going to happen with it. Also, Charles Schwab updated the margin requirements for AMC and GME this weekend. We got to talk about that because they are the second broker that has done this, TD Ameritrade being the first. And as per usual, we will cover short interest through Ortex, we will cover Stocko Tracker, and of course, we got to talk about the charts too, guys. But first, do me a huge favor. Drop a like down below, hit that subscribe button, make sure that you ring that bell for your YouTube algorithm. It really does help me out a lot, guys. Also, if you guys are looking for a great Discord community that does a lot of trading, Penthouse Stocks Discord is a really good trading community. I am part of it. I am an exclusive member, and you can join the Discord as an exclusive member and you get 20% off for your first month. There is amazing trade alerts. There is a lot of due diligence that is being done within this Discord, guys. And the exclusive membership is 100% worth it in my personal opinion. I am an exclusive member and I've made my membership fee back on a single play alone, guys. The link is down below in the description. If you want to join the Discord, totally up to you guys, but 20% off. And if you do join, make sure that you tell them that I sent you guys. But let's dive on in and take a look at the charts here for AMC for Friday. So ultimately, yes, we were down 4.66%. We were trading at this 53 3/4 level for the majority of the day. We did break below it about 3 times. We did see a low of 52.97. The thing I really want to point out here is how volatile this stock is when it's down below this channel. Definitely very uncomfortable. And when we take a look here at the 5-day range, you can, come on, we will give me the past 5 days. There we go. So the past 5 days, we pretty much have been trading between this 53 3/4 channel and $62, basically consolidating here. Now we did have a really nice consolidation day here on Wednesday. We had an okay one on Thursday, and then we were kind of definitely all over the place here on Friday, guys. But the thing that I really want to talk about is this rally that we had into the close. I saw it across a lot of stocks, and it seems like a lot of sweeps, call options, and everything like that were bought at this time period for certain stocks. AMC definitely was one of them, and we will talk about the options chain later, guys. But if we zoom out here to the 1 month, 1 hour chart and really just take a look at it, this chart is absolutely fine. I am so happy we are sitting exactly where we are. We have our 200 exponential moving average sitting here at $55.45, or 60-day moving average sitting here at $56.76. That is amazing, guys. Like, we have come so far. Like, back here on the 21st, wow, it's been over a month since we've had this run up. And guys, we are sitting perfectly fine. We are just consolidating, waiting for that next move. That is what we are exactly doing. We rip, we pull back, and then we consolidate, and then we wait for the next move, guys. And let me tell you this, I don't see a reason why it's going to be to the downside because the options chain is bullish. This chart is very clearly bullish. So in my thinking, my personal opinion, not a financial advisor, not financial advice or anything like that, I definitely think it's going to be a move to the upside. Ultimately, breaking above this neckline here at $63.79 will bring us to $70 and then $77. And then after that, who knows where we can go, guys. But if we take a look here at the year-to-date time frame, this was pointed out to me by one of my commenters in my last video. We are pretty much forming a bull flag here. And this bull flag can go for a while, guys, because bull flags can be extended for a lot of time. Now I've drawn mine more towards the upside. Normally you want to try to draw these where they're more in between here. Oh, come on, so let me try to redraw this for you guys. So if we do this, let's say about here, and then let's do one line about here. So basically we are forming a bull flag. We are setting those higher lows followed by essentially we're setting higher lows, and then lower highs, which is essentially consolidating within this channel, and then we're looking for a break to the upside because this is a bull flag, guys. So ultimately, I think we will be breaking to the upside. 63.79 is that point where I'm really going to have my eye on it. Now, the next thing I want to talk about here is Fast and Furious 9. This movie, I have not yet seen it, but I definitely do want to see it. Globally, the 9th installment of Fast and Furious 9 franchise has crossed over $400 million. The movie is playing in 4,179 theaters in North America. That's the widest count for any film opening in the recent months, as more cinemas are flipping on the lights. Friday's tally was $30 million in a single day record for the pandemic era, including 7.1 in previews. That is huge, guys. So this movie was it's a AAA title that everyone wants to go see, and the fact that we're breaking records here is amazing for AMC, and it shows that there's a turnout for people still going to the movie theaters, and they don't want to sit at home watching some silly streaming service. I don't care what these Wall Street analysts say. Oh, Disney Plus is going to kill the movie theaters. Get out of here. Disney Plus can't compete with a movie theater. None of these streaming services can compete with a movie theater. Sure, the lazy people might watch movies at home, but 9 out of 10 of us, or pardon me for speaking for anyone, but I would think the majority of us would definitely prefer to go to a movie theater versus watching a movie at home. Also, all right, so in Charles Schwab, cover this real quickly for you guys. We've adjusted the margin requirements on certain securities. AMC and GME are the only two on this list currently as of Sunday. So AMC, 100% margin requirement for long positions, 200% margin requirement for short positions. Like, I can't even think in my mind, logically, who would want to short this stock with a 200% margin requirement? No thanks. That's enough to just make me go, like, no. But we know that there's people out there that are letting their egos get in the way that are just going to continue shorting the stock anyways. So they can have fun. I'll hold my long positions. Not worry about anything at all, guys, but I'll include the link of this down below in the description of the video. But let's hop over here and cover Ortex. So 91.35% utilization, estimated short interest or free float sitting at 18.55%, our free float on loan sitting at 18.99%, and our shares on loan 97.13 million, and our estimated current short interest is sitting at 94.98 million. That is a lot. This is higher than what Ortex was expecting, and they said it and they tweeted it out. This is higher than what we were expecting, and surprise, surprise, guys, Ortex gets their information from about 85% of prime brokers, and we know that this is what's reported to them, and we know that certain people have reporting requirements that they often tend to skew. So I'm not really surprised here that this came in higher. The thing that I really want to highlight is this green line here, which is our on-loan average days. It's about 31 days ago. So if we take a look back about 31 days ago, this is really right before our huge run up here in the later part of May. So a lot of these shorts are definitely still underneath the water, guys. A lot of them are underneath the water. There's no way, like, they can't be freaking out because of, like, being down as much as they are. I can't even imagine being down 20%, let alone a couple 100%. Like, it's insane to me to think about that these guys haven't covered their positions. But I'm not a financial advisor, none of this is financial advice, but this is just me. But let's take a look here at Stonko Tracker. So we have 1.8 million short shares of AMC available to borrow at a borrow fee of 1.3%, 23,454 short ETFs available to borrow. Let's take a look here at the options chain expiring this week. So we have 39,570 calls expiring in the money right now. We have 136,595 calls expiring out of the money, 19,632 puts expiring in the money, and 139,572 puts expiring out of the money. So calls definitely outweighing puts. It's not been, the ratio is a little bit more even, but guys, with this large of a sample size, seeing around 50% is perfectly fine. Seeing 60% is incredibly bullish within the stock. And if we do take a look here at the options chain within there was one strike I really wanted to take a look at here. This $145 strike, 9,086 calls were traded on Friday for the July 2nd strike. And if we go out here to July 9th and take a look at the 145 strike, 6,342 of them were traded at this strike. 15,406 of them are currently open, guys. That is insane. That is a lot of open interest. And if we take a look just in weeks ahead, so if we go out to the 16th and take a look at the $145 strike, 41,710 open interest contracts at this $45 strike. Like that is insane. Like these are going for, yes, $176 a pop. 13,661 of them were traded on Friday alone, guys. So there is plenty of bullish interest on this stock. If we want to find a similar comparison here for July 16th, so 1.76. So we got to go up here. So 1.76, $35 put. We're looking at 1,000 volume versus 13,661. What is the open interest on that? 4,000 versus 40,000. So you're looking at tenfold. So this stock is incredibly bullish, guys. The option chain is bullish. We have Fast and Furious 9 coming out like on Friday. Good box numbers. This is insane. We're lining up for a good week ahead. We have this nice bull flag, and that's what I'm gonna leave you guys with. But I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.